upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We're multicultural, we're inclusive, so that's what we got going on. If you are interested in that, go ahead and subscribe. If you're already subscribed, you're one of my little doll babies. Hi doll baby, how are you? Thank you for coming back. Today we have another collaboration with the Wig Company. I have collaborated with them many times. They're amazing, they're awesome. All their deets will be down below. Follow them on Instagram. Check them out. Great company, great to work with. So today we have a wig from their fashion club design. And this is, who is it? This is Mitch. This is Mitch. It's actually not Mitch. This is American Beauty. I have her in the color 12 and it's the cap size average. So let's get her. So this is her. I really like this color. It's sort of an ashy, yeah, it's like an ashy blonde, very curly. This is a full cap wig, so there's no combs in this wig at all. There are adjustable straps and they are Velcro. So if you're someone who has a sensitive scalp, you're going through any type of treatments, alopecia, this is a very comfortable type wig cap to wear. Let's get her on and see what she's all about. So this says average wig cap size, but I had to tighten her more than I normally have to, so it's just something to keep in mind. I think my wig, my head size is like 21 to 22. Okay, I don't hate this. It's, you know, all wigs are preference. It's like longer in the back than I feel like it should be. It's very soft and I absolutely love these curls. I normally, and the Wig Company knows this, and so I'm so happy that they just accept me for who I am, because normally I change these wigs and, you know, kind of just make them more to my preference. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do some styling with her. I might do some cutting with her actually, and I'm going to show you what this wig can do. If you like this style, great, and that's awesome. But we're going to do, oftentimes I do an updo, but this time I'm going to go ahead and do a cutting of this wig. So I have a full The Wig Company wig playlist down below. A lot of, I mean, I probably manipulated most of them, not all. So it can also show you what you can do with a wig. If you get one and you're like, I kind of like the basic, I like the color, I like where this is going. But for my preference, I want to cut a little bit and then I will, you'll see me on camera, okay? And then we'll come back and talk about it. So let me get to cutting.
Imagination. I wanna know what you dream about at night. Imagination. Imagination. I wanna know.
Okay, you saw what I did to it. I really like it this way. You saw what I did, so if you have any questions about any of the techniques that I used, but I really think this is cute. Yeah, I'm happy with it. Sometimes you just gotta, customize a little bit. Ooh, you just have to customize a little bit. I'm very happy, and yeah, let me know what you think of what I did to this wig. The Wig Company, let me know what you think about what I did to this wig. I really like this. I think it's super cute. I'm very pleased with it. I like this color. So yeah, that's what I have for you for this video with a review and also a customization. If there is any other Wig Company wig you would like me to review, go ahead and put that down below. I have a full playlist down below of Wig Company wigs that I have done. I want to thank the Wig Company so much for partnering with me and supporting me, and we have a great collaboration. We have a great relationship, so that's awesome. If you have subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!